Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to enable data layer in Shopify website. So I have made a previous video where I showed what is Shopify data layer and why we need this. So in short, we need this to track e-commerce data dynamically. So that means we can track and send the data to our ad platform or Google Analytics or any other platform. We need to send the data to dynamically, then we can use data layer. So for Shopify doesn't have the data layer inbuilt, so we have to install this through a code. And I have a code or snippet that I managed to install this data layer in Shopify. So I will show you how you can get this in your email. So let's get started to do the installation process. So at first, I have logged in to my Shopify dashboard. So this is my demo website. I will install Shopify in this website. Then in the same time I will install Google Tag Manager in this website. So I have logged in a Shopify, sorry, Google Tag Manager account. So I will install this Google Tag Manager in this website. So let's get started. At first, I have created a docs, Google Docs, where I have installed or written all the necessary information. So this is a USD version or dollar version. So I will use this snippet, code snippet to install data layer. At first, let's go to theme.liquid file. So for this, go to your my store dashboard, then click theme. After going to theme, we have to click these three dots. Here we can see that edit code. Let's click here. Don't worry, just follow the instructions. You will be fine. So now we have to create a new snippet. Here you can see, go to online store, theme, edit code, snippet, then create a new snippet. So snippet value, just copy this. I will give you all the information in the description. You can just follow it. Just copy the name, then go to here. After that, just click add a new template. Sorry, go to edit code snippet and create a new snippet. Okay, I have to go to edit code snippet, create a new snippet. So here is the snippet section. Create a click snippet, then click add a new snippet. Here I have to name it data layer all pages dot liquid, which is default. Then click done. Now I have to paste the USD currency data layer code here. So this is the link. Just click here. Okay, I will link it in the description. Now there is, this is the code. It is a huge code, so let's just click Ctrl A and copy, then paste it here. So we have some work here. You can see here Google Tag Manager information. So this is an empty tag, so we have to replace it. So I already created my Google Tag Manager. If you don't know how to create Google Tag Manager, you can check my channel, or I will link it in the description. So just copy the ID, then replace it. We are done. So there is nothing to do. Just click save. We have created a snippet. So through this snippet we will get all the data. So but we have to install this every pages. So this is just a snippet, so we have to give an information on the data layer, sorry, Shopify website header, that it will use in all pages, or it will remain in all pages. So for that we have to give them a command. So for this, let's click this code and go to your website theme.liquid, then find header. So under the head tag we have to paste it. So we can also paste it before the head closing tag. So let's find it, or we can just control F and write head, go to next. Here, this is the closing tag, closing head tag. This means the closing. So just create an space here and just paste the code and click save. This data layer just works on the until the checkout page. So in the checkout page we have to use another code. There is also another code to use in the checkout page. Here you can see. So for checkout page code, just click other country, this option. Now we just need to copy this, and with the information go to the checkout page and order status page. So let's exit from here and go to settings. Here from the checkout, this is the checkout, and here in the additional script we need to paste it, but keep some space before the code, because we have to install the tag manager code also, because in the checkout page there are our previous work will not apply. That is because the Shopify authority just created this option. So for that we need to install the Google Tag Manager code here, because the other code will not remain in this page, in the checkout page. For this, click this option, copy, and how to get that? You just click on the ID of your Google Tag Manager, then click copy and here paste it. We are done. Just click save. Okay, so we have successfully installed Google Tag Manager and data layer. So let's just preview this and check if it is working correctly or not. For that, copy the URL and click preview. We can just close this. Okay, paste the website URL, click connect. So we can see a page here. This is working fine. So let's go to a product page. I only have one product because I created only one. Click this product and we can see a view item, just view item event or trigger happened, and through this data layer option you can see all the necessary items we need: the product price, product name, product price, and item name. That means product name, item brand. This is the default name, so there is no category, so that is why it is blank. The description, here is the description, image URL, and everything just working fine. The currency, everything working fine. If we click add to cart, then I hope add to cart trigger or event will fire. So okay, there is a trick. The add to cart event will work because there is no URL changes, their add to cart event will work through a click element. So we will see this later. Let's click view cart. Here we can see a view cart event fired, and there is also all the data. We can go to the checkout page. Oh, sorry, I haven't decided, or I haven't set up this page. So before to do that, I have to just set up the checkout page from here. I will do that later. Anyway, I will do that later, but the data layer is working fine. We need every kind of data, and we can see all this in the data layer. So that's all. Thank you very much. To know or to get this kind of tutorial video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.